Hello, and welcome to this quick video on using GaraSign to deploy a secure and scalable document signing service. Instead of uploading documents to sign, which is slow and exposes unnecessary security risk, GaraSign uses client-side hashing, which results in high performance and a reduced attack surface. With GaraSign, you can sign and encrypt documents in many different ways, such as supported applications such as PDF clients, Microsoft Office, and so on, command line tools that support single and bulk document processing, and programmatic methods via our APIs or pre-built SDKs. Let's first sign from an Adobe PDF application. And now we see the document is signed. GaraSign can also enforce advanced security controls, such as multi-factor authentication, device authentication, approval workflows, and more. To enable these controls, you simply have to change the keys policy. Let's enable multi-factor authentication. This time, when we sign, we are prompted to enter our multi-factor authentication credentials. GaraSign supports a number of different multi-factor applications and protocols, so your organization can use what works best for its needs. Once we submit, the signing completes successfully. Another useful feature for high-value document signing is approval workflows. When enabled, a quorum of approvers must approve the request before the document gets signed. Let's see it in action. Here, we see the interface of an approver who has received the approval request. If we reject the request, the signature will not be generated, but we're going to approve the request and sign the document. And now the document is signed. I just did this with one approver, but you can choose a larger quorum size and even create tiers of approvers. Now, let's say you need to sign many documents. GaraSign supports this in a few ways, but the easiest is to use the command line tool. On the left side of the screen, we have a directory of unsigned documents. When we run the tool, it will sign the documents and place them in the folder on the right. Now, when we open this document, we will see that it is signed. Let's say your document contains sensitive or confidential information, so it needs to be protected. GaraSign can encrypt these documents. For PDF files, password and certificate encryption are supported. Certificate encryption is the most interesting, so let's see how that works. You may not be able to tell, but this document is encrypted, and the decryption key is in our HSM. Let's say that I switch roles or leave the company and should no longer have access to these sensitive documents. There are many ways to revoke access, but the easiest way is to disable the key. Now, when I try to open the file, it won't work. As expected, we can't open the file. GaraSign can be used to sign and encrypt other types of documents as well. Customers who wish to embed GaraSign's capabilities in their own applications can make use of the APIs or pre-built SDKs. GaraSign can also be used for other use cases, such as code signing, SSH, TLS, and more. Check out our other videos to see examples of those use cases. Thanks for watching.